The main similarity between James Bond and Sean Connery is the struggle. A struggle is the main similarity between James Bond and Sean Connery or Sean Connery, because Sean Connery in his childhood was raised in a destitute childhood in the slums of Edinburgh, Scotland. He was raised in Edinburgh, Scotland, and he was a coffin polisher and a lifeguard in earlier. We normally say James Bond is also struggling to complete the mission successfully in the films, but this is fictional character. He was the elder son of a truck driver and a cleaner. His mother was a cleaner. His style of introducing himself, Bond James Bond, will be uniquely identifying him. Connery is the beginner in portraying James Bond. The Bond franchise has earned $100 million. So this is very significant. Another similarity is James Bond is involved in Royal Navy. At the age of 16, Sean Connery joined country's Royal Navy and left at 19. That helped him to portray James Bond 007. James Bond is a commander in the Royal Navy, which is equivalent to Lieutenant Colonel, and Sean Connery is a former sailor from his real life. This prior military experience, especially in the Navy, helped him to portray the James Bond character in the screen. So this is the basic similarity or main similarity between Sean Connery and James Bond, that both were in the Royal Navy or England Navy. He is one of the greatest actors ever in the world history. So, do you have any question about Sean Connery, about his life history or biography that you want to know that I have not mentioned here and you want to listen about him? Then you can ask me, because I found these big similarities in his real life and the character James Bond from the films.